This is verse 4 of the second chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. Herod, of course, is upset because he's just learned from the wise men that a star has arisen in the east that will demarcate the birth of Messiah. Herod has delusions of his own messiahship and that of his dynasty. He seems to think that he is able to intervene in this situation, and that's the plot that he's beginning to contemplate here. So having learned this, we continue the drama. We have kai, which is the connective, and synagogon, from synago, means to gather together. Of course, the word synagogue is taken directly from that verb, so he gathered them together. Pantos, gathered all of them together, so gathered together all. And then tous, this is the accusative of the article, masculine, plural, so all the archieres, this is the high priests, and grammates, the scribes. So both together, and notice that there's not a separate definite article with grammates, so it's the high priests and the scribes. And the general consensus is that to lau, this is the genitive, singular masculine, with the noun laos, which means people. So it means the high priests and scribes of the people. In other words, both the high priests and the scribes representing the representatives of the people at this point, meaning that he's gathering quite a broad body here. It's not the Sanhedrin alone, but may even be more expansive than that. He pulls together everybody that he can imagine would have some information on this and has some kind of gathering with them. So he gathers together pantos, all of them, the accusative plural, all the high priests and scribes of the people, and then epunthoneto, from punthonomai, it means to inquire. It's a little stronger than simply a general inquiry, but it's not quite as strong as a demand, as if he were trying to pull some sort of royal authority here on them. Somewhere in between is the idea. It's a rather insistent inquiry. He's diligently wanting to know the answer to his question, so he's inquiring. Para, preposition, taking the genitive here, so from them would be the idea. A little stronger than apo, desiring to know from them, soliciting from them. Pu is the indeclinable adverb. It means where. Ho, the masculine singular nominative article with Christos, where Christ, and then ganatai. Ganatai from genao means to be born, to be the father of, to beget, something like that, third person singular. Present, passive indicative, where is he being born, is the idea. So it's there's a little bit of drama connected with it. So he gathers together quite an expansive group of people, all of the known scholars apparently that he's aware of. He's insisting to know from them. It's the imperfect here, so it carries the idea of he was inquiring of them, pressing the point from them where the Christ would be born. He wants a definitive answer because, of course, he's already plotting the destruction of any children that would be born in that place.